Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Francis Ibadan, and I'm bringing you this information so important that you need to know about it. It's about your ATM card and the usage. The bank told us that the most important thing about our ATM card is our PIN code. We should keep it secret. But I discovered something a few days back, just Sunday into Monday morning, when I misplaced my ATM card and it was seen by someone and was returned to me by same person as a good Samaritan. Unknown to us, he had snapped the ATM card back and front and had gone with it, returned the card. He doesn't need my ATM card to go for shopping. He just needs a code. The front numbers here and the back. And I'm wondering why the bank makes this visible and this visible when they ask us to keep our 4-digit PIN. And it was the Zenith account that was used. So I'm wondering why they did that. They should ask us if we need the one that has, if we are shopping online or whatever. So the fraudulent guys just got into my account and crippled the account with what was available anyway. And they did that at about 13 minutes past 1 a.m. on a Monday morning, October 1st. That was their celebration, they enjoyed themselves. So I'm bringing you this information because this number here is not important to you. It's not important to you if you are not doing online shopping. So destroy it. From the minute they gave it to you, destroy it. The only thing important here is the chip right here. So I tried something different and it worked. This is my ATM card from FCMB. Yeah. I did something and I tried it. I had to cut out the numbers away from it, back and front, and I swiped it, slot it into the machine, and it still pays. So if I misplace this, no one except someone that knows me to my bone that has my PIN code, he can't use it. So I'm bringing this to you so that you can be guided. When certain things happen to certain persons, it should end there. And that's why you're hearing from me now. I'm not the usual talker on such things as this, but I just think that it might be useful to you if you consider it. So I'm grateful to God that I noticed it and I've done it and it's working. With this, my card is still paying me money back and front. Delete yours, destroy it. It's important to you. Congratulations and God bless you. I remain my lovely and humble self, Francis Ibadan. Those that did it, well, that's your last day anyway. This video is going viral and everyone is going to know your secret. And that's all. Thank you and God bless you.